What's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video, YouTube video, and today I'm here to review what my favorite wheel cleaner product is. I hate brake dust, and with big Brembo brakes, there sure is a hell of a lot of brake dust. So I did a lot of research over the years and searched many different products, and this is by far my favorite product. So not going to delay any time. If you guys don't care about seeing how it works, Adams wheel cleaner. I buy a gallon of it, go on Amazon, get a little squirter bottle, and it works out pretty nice. It works out really nice actually. I got a 3-pack of the bottle sprayers for $5 on Amazon, and the Adams wheel cleaner at the time was $69.99 or $59.99, one of those two prices. But as you can see, these wheels on this GT350 are pretty torched. You know, they're really dark. So you see here's a little scrape. My finger's pretty damn black right there. Just covered in brake dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these wheels with a little bit of water and spray the solution on there, the Adams wheel cleaner, and leave it up to you guys to tell me how good you think it is. To me, it's the best stuff out there. I am waiting for the Auto Fanatics wheel cleaner. I emailed him, he never got back to me, but hopefully he will send me one of his products or his wheel cleaner. I'll test that out as well, because wheel cleaner is probably, well, brake dust is probably one of the most stubborn things to clean on the car, because if you don't have the right stuff, it can ruin the paint. These are actually powder coated. It's kind of hard to run powder coat, but on the GT350R, they're painted carbon fiber rims. Really don't want to fuck those up. So make sure to have the best solution I can. Adams wheel cleaner. Say hi, little guy. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Wave. Hello. Hello. Adams wheel cleaner is the best stuff that I have found so far that is paint and powder coat friendly for any, you know, chrome, whatever finish you have on your rims. I've put it on all my vehicles, and it works fine. It works fine. It works good. So, not gonna delay this any longer. Gonna spray these wheels down and just squirt the solution, the Adams wheel cleaner, on the rims. Hit it with a brush, wash it off, and rub my finger on it, and you guys will see how good it is. What you doing, buddy? Huh?
Did he already finish? Filming, but further right. Oh no, did you start it? I don't think you add, so. What's all this? Looks like it's red.
So I just sprayed it down. That's just, this solution in here is literally right from there. Only thing that I do have to say about this stuff is when you wash it off the wheel, it can stain the driveway. So make sure you wash the driveway off. Adams did come out with a solution that's environmentally safe. So I haven't tried that yet. I might try it one of these days, but for right now, once I get rid of this gallon, I'll think about it. So I'm just scrubbing it down with the Adams brush, and yeah. Let me scrub this down and I'll start this video back up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So my camera died, so this is on my iPhone, but pretty much just sprayed the Adams polish on there, or wheel cleaner on there. I started to brush it, got lazy, so I just hit it with the hose. Came right off. Do a little finger test. Look at that. Finger's nice and clean. So guys, if you've been looking for the perfect wheel cleaner that gets brake dust off, it even turns purple to let you know that it's working, Adams wheel cleaner it does the job, works for me. Like I said, I'm waiting for Auto Fanatics, new wheel cleaner product that he said is going to be the best stuff out there. I mean, Adam's wheel cleaner does the job, gets the brake dust off. I don't know how you could get any better than that if it like dries itself. Maybe come up with that shit and it'd be popping, it'd be off the charts. But yeah, that's really all I have for you guys right now. I am going to get a GT350 versus the GT350R video coming up here soon. It looks like it's going to rain, so I just wanted to get this car cleaned and get a video out to you guys. So as always, thanks again for watching. And if you don't like this video, check out my other videos. If you don't like them, then, you know, whatever. It's all good. Understand. Plenty of YouTubers out there. But I appreciate the love, guys, and I'll see you next video.